So as you guys can see, I kind of customized it to however I wanted to, and it works great for do-it-yourself. Overall, I'm happy. Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are reviewing a shoe rack. So they provide you instruction manual. We're gonna go ahead and set this up, but it looks like everything comes in these pieces and you just pretty much put it together. Provide you a hammer, the different ends, all the pieces, all the legs that go in for this. The legs, I do believe they are metal. So these are the little legs. So you would pretty much stack them like this and just keep going up, up, up. It looks very simple, just a lot of pieces for it. So make sure you follow the directions and let's show you what it looks like. So guys, what I love most about this kit is I can actually customize it to however I want. So you can do whatever you guys want with the kit. You can follow the directions or make it smaller, bigger, whatever you want, which is pretty awesome. So now what's nice is I set it up for this, to act as a tray to set keys on and stuff, and now we can add more or whatever I want to do. But overall, it works great for whatever you want. You can make it shorter, so if you don't have big shoes, you can have it down, to there. Use whatever the rods you want and just kind of customize it to however you want. So as you guys can see, I kind of customized it to however I wanted to, and it works great for do-it-yourself. Overall, I'm happy.